Ni.
Apa surprise dia? Tambah kamu duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Wah. Tadi kau ayam sok plum. Bat miah ong, bisa ong, balak khai miah por sok plum. Tadi sekah cung miah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Khasi Students Union upo Shnong Circle, hapo ka jingilam jong Assistant General Secretary usamla nang singan baha lakyang. Hakasan terik jumang aja pun Rio, kala dawa ya ka National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, pan pinbait ya Kyrteng Shnong, Naduh ka surok Umshyrpi, ter syadu Mylliem, ya ki balatho Bakla. Haka jingkendo Executive Director, jong ka Nhidcl, ka seng lapan sengawru, ya ka way kamat jing dawa, halo ka jing pikir, jong ka company ban tabha, ya ki nala, ka Naduh ba way Heprit, ulaha papo ka nala. Nakaliang jong Executive Director, ula kular ban penbet, ban chim kiai kan jing dawa jong kaseng, hapo ka sitiyo.
Tak singi ngi nakaliang jong ka PSU apa Shnong Circle, ngi lo ayo ban hang ni apa ka NHIDCL budan apa Umshyrpi. Ngi kundur bat Executive Director by day bat kikam ki pa apa ki apa Shnong thai apa Shnong jingi ka lenti Shnong dok ki road. Ka by day bat kini ki signboard ka jing Bakla jong Kyrteng. Bakla jong ki ka kerkum tho ya ki Kyrteng jong Shnong ki ngila yo ban penbet ban rai kita ki ya kita ki problem ki bengidon kumat jong director ban ula kular ba ula kular bun sa penbet ya kini kam ki basa o ki ba thut ti bat kadan ru ka kam ka bai dei ba tu ka jinja apo armia ra bai klung ila hap tu ko kanala ti tu ngila ya keren ngila ong tu ba hap ban nakaliang ka office nakaliang ni ka office ki bakin pet bakin tap ya tu ka nala bagi sna ti kata ru la kular bo sna itu ti berhak kini jing dawa jungi bangila wan kan singi kalau ke ba riso ba la kular ba hapo steo hin pembet hi berhak jing Bakla jong ka Kyrteng berkum tho jing Kyrteng Shnong baki gue hukum ki kata nala ki
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka barid ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki we ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki we na ka benta ka koi ka khya jong ki pat ba nong bam nong di bat ba pinyo ka jing shania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arjar henriu link ba ka section lai phuwe iwe kam de ka ba e ba pinyo e ka license pila ban apply ko online link ba ko website foscus.fssai.gov.in da ka ba pi hap pan upload ru teki kot kisla badan kam kat kum ka jajing kam jong pi pila ru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan hamigalaya latno tang is khasi hers pila ban let bed yak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan Rashpi dekat Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, bat belakershan dekat Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shnong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in. Bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.